gatillero y me monta en la ruta.
Dímelo, yo.
Par de gatillero y huele a gran puta.
Hey guys, what's up? And welcome to a SLED podcast. Today is just me. I'm gonna do a quick update on the markets and where kind of explore the possibilities of where the Bitcoin might go. In no way this is a financial advice. This is consider this my trading journal and follow along. But there has been significant move here, significant pivot point potentially that I will show you in this video. As you well know already, I trade WD Gan, and his teachings combined with modernized versions of different stuff such as birth historicals, a software called Ganzilla, where I find square of 9 targets at 45-degree angles. In the future and in the past, I can forecast those levels. If you guys don't know who I am, hopefully you will by this video. I've been trading for well over a decade. I've called out many tops, which is well documented. I run a Discord community with 1,600 plus members. There's also 3 other co-hosts, my very good friends and fellow traders, JCAS, Crypto G, and CNC Radio, Alex. They do podcasts with me. If you check the playlists, you will see that usually it's 4 of us. But I figured I'm going to throw these little updates for you guys and just take a look at charts when I'm available, because we're not always available at the same time. If you haven't clicked that follow or subscribe button, please do, guys. It helps us grow, help us reach a 1,000 subscriber mark. We're not too far away. I think we're at like 860. Our Discord community link will be posted in the description. And make sure you hit that bell notification button so you see when we go live and make a whole bunch of chart analysis. Anyways, let's get straight to it, guys. All right, so let's take a look. On a 2-minute, 8-minute, that doesn't really matter. Let's take a closer look at what's happening at our 512. So we're still in a pivot down. We still have quite a bit of time, maybe another 5 days of, 4 to 5 days of a down momentum, possibly hitting, 63 and lower. Let's take a look 128 minute. On 128 minute, we also have plenty of time to still keep going down. We do have a little bit more time for to go up for quite a bit longer, maybe for 2-3 hours. I think we're gonna go up. If you look on an 8-minute, we have a few targets, which is 66,191 and 67,173 on a 2-minute. So basically we have to scale a 2-minute chart in comparison to find out where the tops and bottoms are at 8, and then 8 to scale to 32 and so on. So you basically go through each in time frame. We have 30 second, 32 minute, or 2-minute, 8-minute, 32 minute, 128 minute, 512, 2048 minute, which is basically like monthly. So yeah, that's the market update. I wanted to, you see how we hit the target that I called earlier. If you guys were in our Discord, you would see it's very well documented. It's in pinned messages. I posted a picture saying, way before the price was here, saying that we're going to hit 64,741, and we have hit 64,741. Coincidentally, though, let's take a look at TradingView and our Fibonacci retracement here, going from bottom to top. We've hit 618 level, which is a golden pocket level. It's a very important level, and a lot of traders use it as a point of bounce. However, I think after a small bounce, like I said, we are going to be going on a small time frames. We're going to be going up a little bit higher, but I think we will reject and make something like this, reject and kind of break it, and we're going to go towards the 786 level, which is exactly those area. So our 786 area lands around 62,500. So if we go back to our GAN analysis here, 6,500 and then 62,500 is right here as well on double arc number 4. So what happens is after we break double arc 2 and close below it, that means this is our main target, but that means our main target becomes the fifth double arc. However, we can bounce off of here as well. So it's just fun to see how you can cross-reference different type of charting, different type of analysis, and still come up with the same targets. This is I find it fascinating, and these points of confluence where something happens, but you came to the conclusion using different techniques is a great way to catch this extra reassurance that not only Gann is showing you this, but also Fibonacci is showing you this. Also, other types of levels are showing you this. Maybe harmonic will show you that. That is why if you're a well-rounded trader, you know every single technique. You know how to trade harmonics, you know how to trade Elliott wave, you know how to trade Fibonacci, you know how to trade Gann, you know about spirals, you know about time frames, you know about everything. So what I like about WD Gann is it shows me not just price and pattern, it also shows me time. And in a ballpark plus minus an hour, sometimes exactly on the dot, I know when these reversals are happening, and I know where the charts are headed into the future. Even if you're in price discovery mode, like we were with Bitcoin when we went over the all-time high that we've set a few years ago, and we were discovering price. Is it 69? Is it 70? Is it 71? Is it 72? And all these targets been hit. Again, I've shared it in our community on Discord. Please, guys, join. I'll leave the link in the bottom. You will see that the new all-time high I called weeks before it actually happened. That was one of the levels that I found using Ganzilla planetary alignments. I will go over Gann analysis later with you guys as well. I've done a video on it before, so you can check the playlist on WD Gann. That's all already been said many, many times. So if you need to recap on how to actually do it, I do teach it and it's absolutely free. But just believe me when I say that those levels were marked out and 1,600 eyes have seen them. Yeah, so let's see what we can do here. Let's just quickly update our 2-minute. We're still in the first quadrant of the 2-minute. Sorry, on the second quadrant. So let me see something. Yeah, that would be our target, our pivot point 3 or 5. No, this is too early for 5. Actually, a little too early. We'll keep it at 4 for now. We still have a bit of more time. We could just very well have a very, very big impulse up. We did hit a target on our 8-minute. We still have time to go higher. I want to see if we can retrace back, tackle the double arc 3, and if we break it, then possibly go on to 4. 61,173 target would place us kind of back on the 128-minute around this area right here, which is totally fine. This can develop anytime. What we're looking for is this line right here. So if we're trading in this part of the fan, this is very bearish on the down move. If we start crawling up the arches and actually break this, this is considered a switch of direction or switch of trend, as some might say. Same as this. If we're trading up, so this whole part is considered bullish, and as soon as we cross the 45-degree angle, we turn bearish. That's that. A little bit of explanation for you guys there. Boom. We still have more time. So I think for a short term, kind of like a scalp, we're still going to hit a little bit higher. as far as the down move, we're going down. We're setting new local lows, at least in the near future. All right, that's just a quick update. Again, high time frames, slower trades, swing trades, we're going down. If you want to scalp, we're kind of all over the place. The markets are kind of choppy. We're going to see what's going to develop, but I don't really take any of these trades on the weekends. I just follow the price action, and even then, we've already been in a short for quite a while. I think it was since turning point, somewhere at turning point 5 here. We've been in a position. I've been in a position trade short, and just been trading the up and down moves on lower time frames for extra cash on the side, basically. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that follow. I'll throw these little updates for you here and there. If you want to learn how to use this system, and if you want to learn how to trade, join the Discord. You can also visit getsled.net, and you can click the Discord button there. It will take you right there if you don't want to go to description. Thanks guys for watching. Maybe I'll update you again today.